this video, I'm going to show you how you can analyze your business or your customers or your agent's performance from the reporting section. In order to see the analytics, you have to go to reports by clicking over here. In reports, you'll be able to see the customer metrics, automation metrics, agent metrics, and also the CSAT reports. I'm going to start off with customer metrics. In customer metrics, you'll be able to see all the new customers coming into your channel and interacting with your business. You'll be able to see all the new customers coming in, all the customers who have interacted with your business, any customers who have come from referrals, and also all the intents through which the customer is creating a conversation with your chatbot. If the intent is 0, that means that the customer hasn't interacted that much with the chatbot. We're going to go into further details in a later video. For now, I'm just going to give you an overview of how analytics works. You'll be able to see all the different languages with which the customer is interacting with your chatbot. You'll be able to see all the different time zones from where the customer is coming from. And similarly, you'll be able to see all the countries from where the customer is coming from as well. In incoming message count, you'll be able to see a 24-hour summary of when customers create tickets in your channel. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see all the days. On the bottom side, you'll be able to see all the hours during which customers are coming in and creating tickets. With incoming message count, you'll be able to understand when tickets are coming in to your platform and when you should allocate your agents. Say for instance, at 11 a.m., there are many tickets which are coming every single day. However, at 5 a.m., there are far less tickets. So now you'll be able to understand when you should be assigning tickets to agents or when you should be allocating more agents to your business. In gender, you'll be able to understand what sort of people are coming into your platform. If the gender isn't found, it's going to be shown with not found over here. In textual versus button clicks, you'll be able to understand how many people are interacting with messages or how many people are interacting with buttons. Say for instance, you've created a quick reply block or you've created a button block. In that scenario, the button clicks will be higher than textual messages. Now I'm going to show you automation metrics. In automation metrics, you'll be able to see all the tickets which have been created for your platform. You will also be able to see the tickets resolved in your platform. With tickets for supported customers, this metric shows you how many tickets customers are creating on an average in your platform. And in tickets for overall customers, you'll be able to understand how many tickets are being created for your customers who are coming into your platform. The reason ticket for supported customer is higher than ticket for overall customer is because not all your customers come into your platform and create tickets. However, if the tickets for supported customer is higher than tickets for overall customer, this goes to show you that customers are facing far more difficulties than they usually do. Incoming text and automated responses shows you how many tickets are being responded by your agents and how many tickets are being responded by your chatbot. With the blue line, you'll be able to understand that these are the tickets which are being answered by your agents. And with the yellow line, you'll be able to understand how many tickets are being answered by your chatbot. With list of tags, you'll be able to see how many tags are being created in your tickets. Now, if we go below, you'll be able to see the list of tickets and their details. List of tickets shows you all the tickets that have come into your platform. From here, you can see the ticket ID, the channel in which the ticket was created, the tags which were assigned to that ticket, the customer's name, who catered to that ticket with resolved by, when the ticket was created, when the ticket was assigned, when the ticket was resolved, how much time it took the agent to resolve that ticket. And you can also see the resolve time, which will tell you how long it took the agent to resolve to that ticket. You'll also be able to filter this by clicking on the agent's names. All the tickets will be filtered by the agents who resolve those tickets. Say for instance, I choose this agent, then in this scenario, all the tickets which were resolved by this agent. List of tickets can also be downloaded by clicking on the export button. All you have to do is click on export and the tickets will be downloaded into your computer. Now I'm going to show you how you can use agent metrics to start analyzing your agents and understand their performance. If you go into agent metrics, you'll be able to see the average first response time for your agents. This basically shows you when the ticket was created and when your agent started answering to that ticket. So if the average response time is higher, that means your agents are not responding to your customers fast. You can see the average resolution time. This will show you how long it's taking agents to resolve any ticket which is coming into your platform. and average response time. This will show you the overall average response time for the agents. What's the difference between average first response time and response time? Well, the first response time shows you when the agent first started communicating with your customers. However, the average response time shows you basically every time your agent starts communicating with your customers, and for each of the responses which are being sent by that agent is the average for every response. Now I'm going to show you how you can use agent details to understand how your agents are performing. In agent details, you'll be able to see your agent's name, the amount of tickets which are assigned to your agent, and the ones which are resolved by your agent, how much time the agents are taking to resolve any ticket, the first response time average, and also the average response time for that agent. You'll also be able to see the average customer satisfaction scores which are given to that agent for their performance, which are rated by the customers. You can see all the performance of your agents by going into the consequent pages. Once you're done seeing the performance, you can also download agent details by clicking on Export. You'll be able to ask your customers to rate the performance of your agents with CSAT blocks. And with CSAT reports, you'll be able to understand how your customers have rated the performance of your agent. In CSAT reports, you'll be able to see how many CSAT blocks have been sent to customers, what's their response rate, basically how the percentage of customers who are rating your agents, and the average rating for your agents. List of responses shows you all the responses which were given by the customer to rate your agent. You'll be able to see the customer's name, the agent's name. You'll also be able to understand whether this was rated by the customer for a chatbot or an agent. You'll be able to see the rating, which is between 1 and 5. 5 being very satisfied, 1 being very poor. And you'll be able to see the timing of the rating. And also you'll be able to see which ticket this CSAT block was sent for in the ticket ID column. You can also download this list by clicking on Export. And finally, in response distribution, you'll be able to see the distribution of all the ratings which were given by the customer. In response distribution, you'll be able to understand a distribution of all the ratings which were given by the customers for your agents, with 1 being very poor and 5 being very satisfied. From here, you can understand how your agents are performing and mostly whether they're poor or satisfying for each of the customers. You'll also be able to filter your reports by channels by clicking over here and selecting the channel for which you want to see the report. For now, I'm going to stick to all channels. You'll also be able to filter your reports according to the time by clicking over here and selecting the duration for which you want to see the report. Say, for instance, I want to see the reports for last week. I click on last week and click on filter. All your reports will be refreshed and you'll be able to see the reports for the previous week. Thank you all for watching. I hope you can use analytics to understand your business and grow it further.